Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix boost problem on Facebook. So you can see there is a boost problem is unavailable. So all you need to do is go for the streamlined option, three dot option, then go for edit post. You have to make this post on public. So go for public, go back and go for save. And you can see now this boost post option are available. So this is how you can fix boost problem on Facebook. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Xiroosft. Xiroosft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Xiroosft today. For more details, check the description box.